If you're a business owner who often finds yourself challenging rules, questioning them, or struggling to agree with company policies set by others, this video is for you. Let's talk about a pattern we've all seen. I'm sure you know a few people like that. There's a clear line in front of someone and they just walk ahead. No guilt, no shame, just pure entitlement. Cars waiting patiently in a traffic jam, and one genius decides to squeeze into the opposite lane, risking chaos for everyone else. And ask them why, they'll give you a perfectly rational sounding reason. I was in a hurry. This system is so inefficient anyway. And then there are business owners who fight a company's policies after choosing to work with them. They'll miss documentation deadlines, avoid formalities, complain about processes because somehow they are the exception. But here's the question. When these same people set a rule in their own company, like a reporting format or a company policy about attendance, what do you think happens? Their employees dismiss it. They ignore it, they break it without even raising a question. Why? Because their boss has trained them that way. I am Rashmi Joshi, born into business and obsessed with systems. I have bought and streamlined a 25-year-old business, automated it and scaled it. Now I help entrepreneurs do the same with their business with the magic of systems. If you want your team to follow systems, you need to show them what that looks like. And that starts with you. Not picking and choosing rules based on your mood. Not saying this policy is stupid and doing your own thing. Because that's exactly what they'll do. And then you'll wonder why no one listens. Now, I'm not saying never question anything. You can challenge a rule, but not while breaking it. Challenge it formally, clearly, respectfully. And let's be real, you don't need to have an opinion about every rule. Sometimes you just follow it, quietly, consistently. That respectful surrender to the rules you willingly chose, that's what builds culture. That's what builds trust. That's what builds systems that actually last. So here's your system for this week. Follow the rules you set and the ones you agreed to, because your team is learning more from your behavior than from any policy manual. If you've liked what I've been talking about, please keep watching these videos. You know there's lots more where that has come from. See you in the next one.